Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Dianara Chikita and my ID number is 4101421060. And I'm from Mathematics Education Study Program in Mathematics Department of Universitas Negeri Semarang. And this video, I will explain how to solve the problem of linear programming in daily life. In here, I will make the graph using geogebra application. Okay, here I have the problem of the linear programming in daily life. It's about the shoe store, how to calculate the profit that the shop owner can get. Okay, this is the problem. The store located in Gunung Pati will be opened and will sell adult men's and women's shoes. The shop owner wants to fill his shoe shop with at least 100 pairs of men's shoes. The store can only hold 400 pairs of shoes. Suppliers limit the number of shoes that can be ordered. Men's shoes cannot exceed 200 pairs and women's shoes cannot exceed 250 pairs. The profit for each pair of men's shoes is 10,000 rupiah, and the profit for each pair of women's shoes determine the biggest profit the shop owner can get. Okay, this is the solution. From that problem, we know that the problem must to maximize problem. And the next, we can solve x and y. Okay, we let x is equal to the number of men's shoes and y is equal to the number of problem. We can make the table. Shop is the number of men's shoes is greater than or equal to 150, and from the limit of supplier restriction is less than or equal to 200 for men's shoes and women's shoes, and the profit for men's shoes is 10,000 rupiah and 5,000 rupiah for each pair of women's shoes. And the objective function, that z want to maximize the profit, so the objective function is z is y. And then we can determine the constraint is x plus y is less than or equal to 400, less than or equal to x less than or equal to 200, 100, 250. Then this is the non-negative function, x greater than 0. Now, from this constraint, we can sketch the graph to determine find the vertex that the function can be optimal. To show the geogebra application to sketch the graph of the constraint. Okay, first of all, we can write these inequalities to equality first. Okay, we can write it here. X plus y is equal to 400 to 100. X is equal to 200 and y is equal to 150 and y is equal to 250. Here and then we can find the visible area by write all of these inequalities in one line and combine it with symbol inequalities. Okay, x plus y is 100 and 100 is less than or equal to x less than or equal to 200, and 150 less than or equal to 150, and x greater than or equal to 0 and y greater than or equal to 0. So we can get this visible area, and from this visible area we can find for each point corner, or we can call it vertex. We can find the vertex by using this feature. We can choose the intersect one, and then we can choose this line and this line, and then we can get the vertex A, vertex B. This is the vertex C. This is the vertex D, and the last this is the vertex E. Okay, next function to determine which vertex is the optimum value. We can write it here: 10,000 x plus 5,000 y. Is equal to x. We write x, equal to k. We write k to make the slider for the line of the objective function can move and determine the vertex, which one is optimum one. Okay, so here we have the objective function line. Here we can change the interval of slider to 5 times. So can move. Then we can check what the vertex is the optimum value. We want to zoom it for the clearly. The first vertex that can meet with this line is vertex A of this problem, and next is the next is vertex A, and the next is vertex B and vertex D, and the last is vertex C. Vertex C is the last one that meet with the line of objective function. So we can find from the graph we have vertex A have the profit is 1,750,000 rupiah, and for the point B or 750, and for the vertex C we can get the maximum profit, which is 3 million rupiah, and for vertex D the profit then 7,050, and for the vertex E the profit that can get is 2,000 and cap. Okay, from the graph it can be seen that the maximum profit is at the corner point that it most recently hit by the point C, namely point C is in the coordinate 200, 200, and the maximum value obtained is Z is equal to 10,000 x, which x is 200, 5,000 times y, which y is 200, and from this equation, we can get the value is shop owner can get is 3 million rupiah. Okay, I think that is all enough from me. And before I close this video, maybe I want to apologize for you all guys if I have a mistake in my explanation about how to solve the linear programming in daily life. And thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.